When we gaze up at the night sky, it's easy to imagine distant worlds as places of wonder and possibility. Yet, beyond our cozy blue planet, lie realms so inhospitable and terrifying that they defy the wildest imaginations of science fiction. From burning infernos to frozen wastelands, the universe is home to planets that would be the stuff of nightmares for any would-be traveler. Today, let's journey across the cosmos and explore some of the scariest known planets in the universe, worlds that remind us just how dangerous and alien the universe can be. Let's begin with one of the most infamous exoplanets ever discovered, HD 199733b. Located about 64 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, this gas giant might seem unremarkable at first glance. But step closer, and the true horror emerges. HD 199733b is a world of cobalt blue, eerily similar in color to Earth's oceans. But that's where the similarities end. The planet's skies are laden with silicate particles, meaning it literally rains glass, sideways, at speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour. Imagine shards of glass whipping through hurricane-force winds, shredding anything in their path. The atmosphere is deadly, suffused with toxic gases and intense heat, with temperatures soaring to nearly 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, the very air itself would tear you apart molecule by molecule. Next, let's travel to Kepler 70b, one of the hottest planets ever discovered by astronomers. Orbiting its parent star at breathtaking proximity, Kepler 70b completes an orbit in just 5.7 hours. The surface temperature is a blistering 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the Sun. Any material, metal, or living tissue would vaporize instantly. The planet itself is thought to be the remnant core of a giant star, stripped of its gaseous layers by its parent star's expansion. It's a scorched metallic wasteland, bathed in relentless radiation. If hell had an address, it might well be found here. But heat is not the only thing to fear in the universe. Venture out to PSR B257+12c, and you'll find yourself on a planet with a chilling story. This world orbits a pulsar, a rapidly spinning dead star that emits beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. The planet is bathed in lethal doses of X-rays and gamma rays, making any form of life impossible. The sky above is a perpetual strobe of deadly energy. The planet itself likely formed from the remnants of a supernova, its very existence a testament to the violence of the cosmos. Any traveler here would be annihilated in seconds, not by heat, but by invisible, unstoppable radiation. Some planets strike terror not by extremes of temperature or violence, but by their sheer strangeness. Consider WASP 12b, a gas giant so close to its star that it is being slowly devoured. The planet's atmosphere is stretched into an elongated, egg-like shape, as gravity from the nearby star draws matter away in a constant tidal stream. The atmosphere is rich in carbon, and astronomers suspect that the planet may even have diamond rain. But this is no glittering paradise. The intense heat, over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the relentless pull of the star mean that WASP 12b is doomed, destined to be consumed entirely over the next few million years. It's a world living on borrowed time, trapped in a terminal embrace with its sun. Then there's Gliese 436b, a planet that seems to defy all logic. Known as the burning ice planet, Gliese 436b is a world where ice is hot. The planet's mass and gravity force water into a solid form known as hot ice, even as surface temperatures reach a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine a landscape of scalding, compressed ice, a place where the laws of chemistry and physics twist in ways almost impossible to comprehend. The atmosphere is full of carbon monoxide and methane, creating a poisonous haze for any visitor. If you think storms on Earth are frightening, consider HD 80606b. This gas giant experiences the most extreme weather known in the universe. Its orbit is so eccentric that it swings from frigid darkness to blazing heat every 111 days. When it nears its star, the temperature on the planet's surface skyrockets by 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few hours, unleashing superstorms with winds that dwarf anything seen on Jupiter or Saturn. These storms rage across the planet, driven by the sudden, overwhelming influx of stellar energy. It is a world where chaos rules, and nothing can survive the onslaught. Not all terrifying worlds are found light years away. Right here in our own solar system lies Venus, a planet often called Earth's evil twin. Beneath its thick clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus is a vision of hell. The surface pressure is over 90 times that of Earth, enough to crush submarines. Temperatures soar above 860 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The air is toxic, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of corrosive acid perpetually obscuring the sky. Volcanic activity may be ongoing, and the landscape is a barren wasteland of rocks baked and fractured by the unrelenting heat. Any probe sent to Venus survives mere hours before succumbing to the planet's ferocity. But perhaps the most existentially terrifying worlds are those that defy our very concept of reality. Consider TRARIS 2b, the darkest planet ever observed. This gas giant reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it blacker than coal, darker than acrylic paint. If you were to descend into its atmosphere, you would be surrounded by an inky void, broken only by the faint, eerie glow of superheated gases. The oppressive darkness, coupled with temperatures over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, creates an environment that is not just deadly, but deeply unsettling to the human mind. These planets are just a few examples among thousands of discovered exoplanets, each more bizarre and hostile than the last. Their existence challenges us to expand our understanding of what is possible, and reminds us of the incredible diversity and danger that lurks beyond our own world. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to find even stranger and scarier worlds, places that inspire awe, fear, and wonder in equal measure. In the vast, indifferent universe, these planets stand as stark reminders of how precious and fragile our own home truly is.